everybody, I'm Miss Heidi with the East Branch Library, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these crayon bookmarks. They're super fun and easy and really cute, and they work great to keeping your place in a book. So let me show you how to make them. Okay, so to make this craft, we are going to need a piece of colored cardstock or, construction paper, a piece of colored printer paper, a pair of scissors, a glue stick, a marker or some kind of pen of some sort, googly eyes. You can always draw your own eyes, or we're going to be using some eyeball stickers today, and then washi tape or any other stickers you want to decorate it. And that's really all you're going to need to make this super cute craft. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do is go ahead and draw our shapes. On your piece of cardstock, we are going to draw kind of like a cylinder shape, and then we're just going to go ahead, and once we've gotten the base of that drawn, we are going to make it a point. That way it kind of gives us a crayon vibe, hopefully. And then on your piece of paper, we are just going to go ahead and draw a rectangle, because this is going to act as your crayon label. Oh, I think I might have made that one a bit too big, so we're going to do just another. Okay, and then we're just going to go ahead and cut those out. Okay, once we've cut out our crayon and our crayon label, we are going to go ahead and glue them together. Okay, so now that we have our glue, we're just going to go ahead and add some glue to the crayon label. And then we are going to kind of try to center it in a place that we think looks good for our crayon. So I want mine off the bottom edge, but again, if you want yours on the bottom edge, that's entirely fine. This crayon is exactly how you want to make it, so you can do it however you'd like. Once we've gotten that glued on there, we are going to go ahead and add some washi tape. So we've already gone ahead and pre-torn some, but again, you don't have to use washi tape. You are more than welcome to use stickers or draw them if you have a bunch of fun markers available. I only have a Sharpie with me today, which is why we're going to go for the washi tape. So we're just going to do 2 stripes towards the top of the crayon, and then a couple stripes towards the bottom, just to kind of give it that crayon vibe. Okay, and again, you don't have to do 4 just because I'm doing 4. If you wanted to do 7 pieces of washi or just decorate the entire thing, that's completely fine. Make your crayon however you want it to look. So once we've gone ahead and added that, the only thing left to do is to draw our face. So we're going to be using these super fun eye stickers, and I'm just going to go ahead and do this pair down here at the bottom because I think they're really fun. But again, feel free to use googly eyes. You can absolutely draw your eyes however you feel. Now we're just going to go ahead and draw a mouth. We're going to make this crayon. We want this crayon to be, we're going to make it be having just a cute little side smile. Again, you can always feel free to draw whatever kind of mouth you want on your crayon. Again, this is entirely up to you. Now that we've done that, the only thing that we still need to do is name our crayon. So since this one is green, we're going to name it Limeade. And there we go. That's all it takes. And now you have a lovely crayon bookmark. Okay everybody, thanks so much for making a crayon bookmark with me. I hope you like them however you made yours. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Ding, ding, ding. Catch you on the flip side. Bye, everybody.